Hi everyone, in previous session we have seen that when a square rows and columns are equal and when square which contains squares and columns are not equal, here is one more type of problems, that is when a rectangle it is having rows and columns both are equal, how we can solve these type of problems. Let us take an example. This is a rectangle. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns I am drawing. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 rows, 4 columns. Okay. So now here both rows and columns are equal. Now what we have to do is take the rows all. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. And take the columns also. Now add both of these. What will get? 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 1 10. Okay. This is 10 and this is also 10. So now what we have to do is directly we have to multiply, that is 10 into 10, that is row into column is equals to 100. In a simple way directly we can do, once you got this number of rows and columns are equal, directly you can solve it. That is, once after adding all these values, here you got 10, right? So square the value which you got by adding all these numbers. Okay, 10 square directly you will get 100. This is a simple way. For one more problem I am explaining. Let us take one more example, that is this is a rectangle in which I am taking here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. These are the 3 columns and 3 rows, right? So rows is equals to columns. Now add the values of these rows or columns, whatever it may be, because both are equal, no, nothing will problem. 1 plus 2 plus 3, what you will get? 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. So after adding columns, same value you will get. Instead of adding both, you can directly, once after getting this 6, square this number. Square of 6 is equals to 36. Even if you multiply this both also, you will get 36 only. I hope everyone understood. So in order to add both these values, directly once you get this value, square this number, directly you will get 36, right? Now let us do one more problem. For this is your homework. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here rows and columns both are equal. Answer this in comment section. Here is one more type of problem, that is rectangle when rows and columns are not equal. Previously we have seen square when rows and columns are equal and square when rows and columns are not equal, and rectangle when rows and columns are equal, and now rectangle when rows and columns are not equal. So let us take an example, that take a rectangle and now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 columns, right? And now 1, 2, 3. These are 3 rows. So here rows and columns, are they equal? No, right? So when rows and columns are not equal, here is one more method, that is add all these rows. That is we'll get 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6, right? Now columns 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. What will get? 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 1 10. Now multiply both these values. 10 into 6 will get 60. This is your answer. I am giving one more. Take this as homework. One, two, three, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Here number of columns are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and rows 1, 2, 3. Tell these answer in comment section. And now here is one more type of problem, that is, we all know triangle, right? So now this is a triangle. Now if I draw a line like this, now if we wanted to find number of triangles in this, we have to divide as 1, 2. Here two parts it is divided, right? This is first part and this is second part. Now add both of this. 1 plus 2 is nothing but 3. So now the number of triangles in this triangle is, this is your triangle 1, this is your triangle 2, and this whole triangle is called as third triangle. So now how many triangles are there? 3 triangles. For suppose if there is a picture like this, now we have to find the number of triangles in it. What we have to do? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 it is divided, right? So now 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. How many it is? 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 1 10. So how many triangles are there? 10 triangles. In this picture we will get 10 triangles. Now I am giving a homework. Now find it out how many triangles are there. Okay, this is your homework. And one more method is there in triangles, that is, for suppose if a triangle is there like this. Previously we know that this triangle has 3, right? If I divided like this, now tell me how many triangles are there. How many are there? Simple, just the number what we got, multiply that into 2. 6 triangles are there. Okay, why 2? Because here we are dividing it into equal parts, right? So we have to multiply the number of triangles which we got into 2. Then we'll get the total count.